has large public connection. Oh, hey. Well, don't get your hopes up. Great!
So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The dog eye's pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eye's always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild and paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him, I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up. Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街死撚緊啊！睇你點走？拉住嚟啊！
Come on.
你咁好大鑊啊！打柒佢！
Fuck you.
我打大力啲！
Are you done? I'm still here.
你話你死梗啊！
Damn, Wei! What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember? Fuck.
All right. You wanna be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey,
You like that?
You can fight? I bet you fall at the first punch.
How about that?
Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him. What do you guys think? Sucks, right?
That all you got?
You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what hot shit gets for you.
You gonna back down?
Hello, boys.
Hey, shit. Bye, guys.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊？
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my...
Hey, all friends, here on you.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's right.
Did you even see me?
So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country. The hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No? You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you was the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That mean